Tried to tell y'all these were gonna sit and y'all didn't believe me. Today is the day that these officially released, and hours later you could literally go on the sneakers app and or multiple websites and get your size for retail. Y'all thought I was tripping. From the jump I told y'all this was gonna be one of those pairs that ended up sitting. I didn't know how long they were gonna sit for, but it's currently like 1:30 p.m. and the only sizes that have sold out is like a 13, 14, and y'all already know there's only probably like 50 pairs for each of those sizes. So today we're gonna discuss whether or not I feel like this pair is gonna go on sale, or is it gonna be one of those that ends up selling out before it makes it to the sale racks. If y'all do end up enjoying this quick video, make sure y'all leave a like on it down below. 400 likes is the goal for this video, and if y'all do end up enjoying and want more sneaker content, subscribe to the channel, and shit, if you do end up subbing up, let me know you're new so I could welcome y'all the proper way. But all that being said, let's get into the Taxi 12s one last time. I told y'all on the on foot, this is gonna be one of those pairs I actually end up wearing, and if I'm being completely transparent, it's one of the first early sneakers I buy that I wear before the review comes out. Typically I get the early shoe, I do the review, and then sometime down the line I end up wearing them, maybe. But for this one, bro, I had to throw them on feet. I've been waiting way too long for Taxi 12s to release, for them to just sit on the shelf and get dusty. When I finally saw the Taxi 12s in hand, I honestly got hella excited, but I didn't let that fool me, bro. I knew that there was gonna be hella pairs when it came to this one. So based off that and the fact that a lot of the other 12s have sat, I came to the conclusion that this is gonna be one of those pairs that is readily available and actually an easy cop. So I'm pretty sure a lot of the people who said they wanted to double up on these or triple up on these actually had the chance to for retail. But if I'm being completely transparent, I don't know if this is gonna be one of those pairs that ends up making it on sale. Hear me out, bro. One of the reasons I feel like that could be is because we're right around holiday season, and being that this is a black and white pair, a lot of people might gravitate towards this one. That and the nostalgia tied to this shoe alone might make these sell out. But then again, there's been a lot of other OG retros that end up going on sale simply because there's so much shit releasing. Like literally today, we're gonna get the Travis Scott Jordan 1 lows drop. Those been loaded since Friday, and I am probably gonna end up posting this on Sunday, possibly. So the fact that we got so many different pairs releasing all together, we got Black Cat 4s, which y'all gonna see an early look for real soon, bro. I literally got them right here. I gotta film that. We got those dropping, Chicago lows on the way, Gamma 11s. The releases are literally endless. So this is almost like a niche shoe. Everybody's gonna fuck with Black Cat 4s, mandatory. Chicago lows is one of those iconic colorways. So when it comes to a Jordan 12, which a lot of people either love or hate, that's gonna play a factor for this release. And now the more that I'm yapping about them, low-key I'm debating in my mind whether or not these are gonna sit or not. At first I'm thinking, bro, this is a fire-ass colorway, given if it was a different year where we didn't have 4 different bangers releasing back to back to back, these definitely would have went. But these days it's a little more difficult to decipher whether or not they're gonna go, simply cause, bro, this pair is a banger. Maybe I'm biased because I love 12s and I love the colorway, but it's one of the iconic OG Jordan 12s. And if it was releasing any other year where we didn't have Travis Scott's releasing on the same day, Black Cat 4s on the way, and people's pockets already hurting as is,
2 + 2 is 4, -1, that's 3, quick maths.
these would have possibly had a different outcome, but that's not the scope that we're in these days. Truth of the matter is, Jordan 12s released today, and almost 4 hours later, they're still readily available in whatever size you need. Obviously, if you have boots on your feet, size 15, you might be a little at this point. And that's another point I want to add to the video. If y'all do have bigger sizes, you do kind of gotta bite the bullet and not wait to see if they're gonna go on sale, because a lot of people do have Yacht Gang and they make less pairs, so they end up selling out first. If you're a size 10 like me, 9 times out of 10 these hoes are gonna go for 20% off. But it's one of those things where if you don't want to risk it and you actually love the shoe, you might as well just pay that $20 extra bruh. Somebody made me come to that realization the last video I posted. They were like, bro, why would I wait 2 months to see if these shit's gonna go on sale and save $30 rather than just get them now and not have to deal with the hassle? And it's kind of a fact, bro. I never really thought about it from that perspective. If you just want them, bro, just go ahead and get them. But if you have a little patience and you're trying to save some money, then hey, you might as well wait and see, especially if you're a size 8 to 10. Those are typically the sizes that end up sitting. But these Taxi 12s were a banger to me, so I definitely had to cop them early. Let me know in the comments how y'all feel about this pair. I'm not really gonna sit here and yap too long about them because I do want to film another video, which is a banger, bro. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel because early heat is going crazy. Low-key, the month of November is the hardest I'm gonna go this year as far as early releases, so make sure y'all sub up because we had Taxi 12s. Shadow 10s are in the building, and the Chicago Jordan 1 lows were supposed to be here by now, but GOAT is low-key hoeing me. I'm gonna have to hit him up, bro, because I paid premium, and at this point I'm gonna get them like 5 days before the release. I don't even know if I'll be able to milk the content from that pair, so I'm a little bit stressed, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. But Shadow 10s are here, and Black Cat 4s are in a box next to me, so make sure y'all sub up because the content is about to go bananas, bruh.
It's peanut butter jelly time, peanut butter jelly time. Do the peanut butter jelly with a baseball bat.
Speaking of bananas, a lot of people were talking about these shits looking like banana boats on feet. I don't really see the shape being that bad. A lot of y'all said these shits is leaning. Personally, I really don't give a f. Like, these shits are hard body, and I had to have them just to add them to the collection. And as y'all could see, these are actually gonna get worn, bro. Like, I love Jordan 12s, and this is probably one of my favorite colorways. This is all black and white. You really cannot go wrong. I already did the comparison with the playoff 12s and let y'all know why I like these a little bit more. But if y'all didn't see the review for these, which hey, y'all should go check that out, it's simply because it's the reverse version of these, and the playoffs have a white outsole. These shits would have already looked like I wore them for 3 months straight if they were the playoffs. The Taxi 12s is a banger to me. Low-key, I threw them on feet and it made me realize what I was missing. In the past, I almost pulled the trigger on Taxi 12s multiple times, but I'm kind of glad I waited because these aren't gonna fall apart on me or get cracked right here, pause. And it's weird, but I almost feel like I could appreciate them a little bit more now that I got them. But yeah, Taxi 12s ended up sitting. It came to no surprise to me personally. A lot of people were saying these are probably gonna sell out. I don't know where y'all minds is at, bro. Jordans aren't really doing what they used to as far as the quick sellouts, unless it's a Travis Scott Jordan 1 like the fragments we're getting this weekend. It's not really gonna do that, bro. I feel like Black Cats maybe, bro. Simply based off of the FOMO from 2020, those might have enough pull to sell out, but something like the Taxi 12s, where it's a little bit more of an obscure model, not everybody's gravitating towards this, and a lot of people are probably saving their little tokens for the Travises, Chicago 1 lows, Gamma 11s, which might get a shock drop soon. There's a lot of different pairs that a lot of people are trying to cop, even these Shadow 10s, bro. Like, these have the streets in more of a chokehold than a Taxi 12. That's just my opinion personally, but to me that doesn't take away from how fire the shoe is. This is still gonna land top 10 for this year for me personally. Y'all let me know in the comments where y'all stand. Did y'all end up going for Taxi 12s, or is it one of those pairs that honestly y'all never really needed? It's either that or y'all waiting for these to go on sale. The final verdict for me is they might go on sale, bro. I don't know yet, but if they do, it's definitely gonna be the more generic sizes. Bigfoot gang, do not wait because these shits are gonna go. But as far as my size goes, that's typically the one that ends up sitting. So if you're a size 10, size 9.5, and you have no pressure to buy these, then hey, just play the field a little bit, see if you can wait it out. But if you really need them, shit, go out there and get these hoes before it's too late, because I know these ain't gonna drop for another decade, at least in its OG form. We might get purple taxis, red taxis, V2 type beat before we get these shits again. That pretty much does it for this quick little video. If if y'all enjoyed, make sure y'all leave a like down below. 400 likes is the goal for this video. If y'all want more content, let me know down below what y'all would want me to record. We do have a lot of early heat on the way though, so I am trying to tackle all of that. And I know I'm wolfing right now. Low-key, I gotta go get a cut in a few hours. So there's a lot going on. Early look for these dropping soon. These are officially concluded and Black Cat 4s are officially in the stew too. So I'm about to try to film that real quick. That pretty much does it for this one. I hope you have a great rest of your day, night, morning, evening, whenever you're watching this video. Comment down below where you're watching this video from. I always love hearing from y'all in the comments. But make sure you spend some time with your loved ones because you don't know how much time we got left. And all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all in one of these 2 videos, bro. That's what YouTube's recommending you to watch based on your previous history. Low-key, they know what you be watching, bro. So if they think you'll enjoy one of these 2 videos, hold them up on that. And if y'all enjoy, make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one though. Peace.